Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Informal terms for a young woman. Chick, dame, doll, skirt, wench. Badminton equipment consisting of a ball of cork or rubber with a crown of feathers. Birdie, shuttle, shuttlecock. A cry or noise made to express displeasure or contempt. Boo, Bronx cheer, hiss, hoot, raspberry. The flesh of a bird or fowl, wild or domestic, used as food. Fowl. Warm-blooded egg-laying vertebrates characterized by feathers and forelimbs modified as wings. Watch and study birds in their natural habitat. Birdwatch.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.